guys. This morning a unit came in. It actually made it back to the bus barn, but making weird noise coming out of the engine compartment. And what we found is this compressor is completely fried. Turn this clip by hand, you can, but you can hear all the grinding. And the hub bearing on that compressor is completely fried, so this one we're going to go ahead and replace that compressor. It's a pretty simple remove and replace date. We already got the refrigerant recovery machine plugged into it. It's almost done. We got to remove this back bolt, get these two hoses out of the way. We got 4 1/2-inch bolts all the way around a belt that we already kind of pushed off to the side, and that thing should come right off. Good thing it's a top one, it's an easy one to replace, it's not the bottom one, so I'm going to go ahead and get this one done, guys. It's going to be an easy fix, so it's going to be well, guys, while we set up the recovery machine to do a vacuum, I'm going to go ahead and set it up to do a vacuum while it'll be doing that while we go ahead and make all the connections, put the belt back on, and so on and so forth. That way, by the time we're done with this, we'll be ready to just refill the system with 4 1/2 pounds of 134A, and I'm going to go ahead and add 4 ounces of PAG 46 oil. These things come with set it up to charge. Okay. Now there it's 0.4.5. Full charge. You can see this gauge is just fly up. There you go. And these things are pretty quick, dude. I mean, some people don't like them. I don't know why. I mean, they're automatic. You can actually set up the machine to do everything and walk away, do something else while the machine doesn't work. I mean, they're pretty decent, dude. It's a 34-788 and on. It's a Robinson. I like it. It gets the job done, I guess you can say. Well, we're going to wait for this one to fill up, guys. This one's going to be out back on route. Let me go ahead and grab that other compressor, take it over to the table, and show you guys the damages that happened to the other compressor. Give me 1 second. Well, guys, as you can see, that's part of the clip right there. That's the hub. This is the friction disc. And these are all the windings for your magneto. This is what actually makes your clutch stick and makes your compressor actually work. And as you can see, I mean, this has gone through quite a bit of heat. bearing came out in pieces. These were the rollers for the bearing. They're all like minute and torn apart. Real quick, this is what held the bearing in place. It's all out on its own, and this is the actual race that the bearings run on. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this compressor actually still works, but we're not going to try and see. We're not going to try and put a new clutch on there. This is junk. We're going to go ahead and toss this one out. I just want to show you guys muscle minutes what happens to a compressor. This one, the bearing failed. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.